So what is up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started with today's video. So guys, today I'll be going to give you a long-term review of the iPhone XR. So guys, it is 2020 now, and I'll tell you should you buy this phone, and I'll give you a complete review that how was my experience. Guys, I'm using it since 6 months, and I'll tell you my experience with it. It's working good, it's working bad, you should buy it or not. So guys, let's get started with today's video. So guys, you can see this is the iPhone XR black color, 128 GB variant, and you can see if you want. And it is guys, it does have a mirror back or a glass back, you can say. You can see everything is like my hand is, it's just like a mirror, you can see. And guys, talking about the screen, it has a LCD display, and guys, you can see here's the camera. So guys, it has a single camera, and the iPhone 11 has a dual camera. But guys, it does have a portrait mode, but only for the human beings, not for like it won't capture your like like if you click a picture of this mug, then it won't be in portrait, only for the human beings. And you can see, let me turn the brightness to full, and here you can check out the phone. You can see the sides, and here's the power button. Guys, it has a face unlock, you can see. It's not working because the camera is in between. Now you can see it works so fast. Let me show you the face unlock, and it's open now, the face unlock. So guys, it does have a face unlock, and the face unlock is so fast, just like the iPhone 11. And here are the volume rockers, volume up, volume down, silent button. I'll show you the silent button. And here is the charging port and the dual speakers. So guys, it does have a stereo speaker, like here, one here and second here. So guys, this was the overview, and you can see Apple logo. And let's put it in the case, if you can, like this. So guys, this is a silicone case. Let me clean it real quick, and you can see it's now cleaned. And guys, it looks pretty good in the case, you can see. Let me focus. And so guys, this is the iPhone XR. So guys, let me turn it on first, and the face unlock is so fast, as you can see. Let me show you the face unlock. Let me do again, and you can see so fast. Let me do again. See guys, so fast it is. Let me focus it for you. So guys, 3 2 1, and you can see guys, so fast it is. And the face ID is like not more than a second, just in a millisecond. And you can see 1 2 and 3. See guys, it's open. Okay guys, so guys, now talking about the camera quality, the camera is pretty good. And so guys, the photos are clear. I compared it to iPhone XS. There was not that much different, but yes, there was a difference in the day I clicked the pictures in portrait. The portrait of the iPhone XS was better than the iPhone XR. So guys, if you are looking for a portrait phone, then don't go for iPhone 11 or iPhone XR, then buy iPhone XS or iPhone 11 Pro. I'm telling you right now. So guys, let me turn off the light real quick so that you can easily see. So guys, now talking about the speed. So guys, it's just the speed is awesome. Like it's pretty fast, as it is an iPhone, and iPhone does have a fast speed. And you can see the speed. Let me focus, and you can see the speed. So fast it is, not a lag. So guys, there was no lag since 6 months. And the storage is almost to full, 128 GB, like it is 100 GB full. And you can see I have installed so much apps on it, and you can see YouTube, many things, and games also. So guys, talking about the game, like gameplay, PUBG or Fortnite, I play Fortnite on it. So guys, if you play for like half an hour, it will get heated up and the game will lag. So guys, it also happens in the iPhone 11 Pro Max, 11 Pro, all iPhones guys, because phones are not meant for gaming. Like if you play a heavy game like Fortnite, like PUBG, if you play PUBG on this, you can play 2 to 3 hours easily, 2 to 3 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. But like if you play Fortnite for half an hour, then it will get heated up and Fortnite will somehow lag. So you have to, whenever you play games, you have to remove the case. Then easily you can play. So guys, you can see. So guys, if you are thinking to buy this, yes, you can go for it. Like it is a good phone in gaming and small games, big games. You can play any game on it. And so guys, here is a picture that I clicked during daytime, and you can see during afternoon I clicked this picture and in portrait mode. And let me zoom in for you, and you can see the clarity. Like the pictures are awesome in this phone, and it looks like you can see portrait here, and you can check out. You can see, guys, the back is so much blurred. As you can see, someone is standing there and you can't even see. Portrait mode is just working fine. And let me show you the quality. Full zoom, guys, it is the full zoom and you can see the quality. So guys, this was the picture, and hope you like the camera quality of the iPhone XR. And the speed is like this, and you can see. Hey Siri also works in it. Hey Siri, how are you?
Hi there. How are you?
Fine.
I'm relieved to hear that.
So guys, you can see Siri is also good, and this is the. So guys, it's 6.1 inches, and the iPhone XS and the 11 Pro are 5.8, and you can check out. Phone is pretty good and no problems till now. It's working good. So guys, this was my review, and if you want to hear the speaker quality, let me play some songs for you. So guys, the speakers are also good stereo sounds, and let me play NCS song for you. Any cartoon on and on, and so guys, to turn on stereo sound, you have to do like this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So guys, this was the sound quality, and I'll rate it out of 10. I'll rate it 8 or 9 out of 10. 8.9, 8.9 as out of 10. So guys, you can see, and so guys, this was the complete review. Tell me in the comment section if you are using the iPhone XR right now and how is the phone, and if you want to buy this and you are here to, like, you're making a mind to buy it. So guys, in 6 months there were no problems that I faced, and so guys, I bought this for 65,000 INR, Indian rupees. You can also buy this. The link is in the description below. It is 128 GB black color. So guys, I'll rate this phone out of 10. I'll rate it 8 out of 10. 8.5 actually. Guys, why I'm rating 8.5 out of 10? Because it has a single camera and an LCD screen. And the LCD screen, sorry. The LCD screen it has. And so guys, that are the cons of it. And there are two cons of it and pros. Like everything is good in this. The cons are two cons. Like what is bad in this phone? Single camera and LCD. So guys, if you don't want an LCD phone, any LCD phone. So guys, if you are looking for a OLED phone, then don't go for this. Don't go for iPhone XR, guys. If you want an OLED phone, if you want the LCD phone, then you can go for this. But its LCD screen is awesome also. You can see not much difference. You can see black is also that good, like pretty much black because it is iPhone. So guys, you can see if you want to buy like for OLED, then you can go for the iPhone XS. Like on Flipkart, it was at sale the iPhone XS for 50,000 rupees, only 64 GB. But it was like actually at 90,000. So guys, it was in sale for 50,000 the iPhone XS, and This is for I think 50,000. The iPhone 10 are 52 or 53 at Amazon. You can check out the description if you want to. So guys, if you want to buy this phone, yes, you can go for this. Only it is LCD and single camera, but the camera is awesome, just awesome. That I showed you the picture. And so guys, this was all for my today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more long-term reviews like this, and comment down how was my review. And so guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and also click the bell icon. And if you want to buy the iPhone 10R, yes, you can go for this. I didn't face any problems in 6 months, and water. I also did a water test. I'll upload it soon. The water test is also good. Like when I went to the swimming pool, and I took it with me, and nothing happened to this phone. So guys, thanks for watching. You can buy the iPhone 10R if you want, and it's a good phone. No problems till now. Thanks and bye.